What is up, guys? Welcome to a new video on the channel. Today we are again here with a Range Rover video, a dirty Range Rover. Excuse me. And this video will go about the FOB key, smart key, how you want to call it. And it has some very handy features that we are going to show you today. Stay tuned. So with the FOB key you can lower the Range Rover and you can put it higher again, but you could easily lower it to make it a lot easier for you to attach the trailer, so you don't have to lift it up too high. You lower the car, you bring it a little bit more forward, let it fall on the hook, and then you can put the Range Rover up again out of the access mode and into drive mode. So let's go and do this. First of all, we have to start the car. Put on the blinkers, all the 4 blinkers, and then we can use the FOB key and we hold down the light button here and the lock button, and when you hold it down you can hear a sound from the horn to warn everybody so that no one is underneath the car, and then it will lower it as long as you push these 2 buttons. When you stop, then it stops lowering also. Then you can attach the trailer, and when that is done you push the button here from the hatchback and from the lock. Open the lock. Those 2 keys here, those 2 keys, you hold them and then the Rover will go up again. So let's try that right now. First of all, we are going to start the car. And then we are putting on the blinkers. So, like so. Now I'm going to bring the camera a little closer so you can see better what we are going to do here. So we are going to try it now. I'm going to push the light button and the open lock. Let's see what it will do here. You hear the sound and oh, it goes up here. Let's use the other buttons. Okay, that's not what it's supposed to do. So, when you hooked the trailer, you can put it back on, like so, back higher. So, this is again a wrap for this video. Hope you liked it. If you did, hit the thumbs up. If you didn't, try to do the same just to support the channel. Find us on Twitter, Instagram and Facebook. And I will see you in the next one. Peace.